Uh, huh? This is my first account. Hope you like my voice and you are my first viewer. Huh? Yep, you are because you are special. Oh, really? Before I say your thought, drop a comment and like and subscribe and the notification bell. I got even a second account, which is Jezo GD. That's why comment it if you watch my second account. They even say that my mouse sounds like a cricket. Which cricket is my worst enemy. They even like flap their wings. So that's all. Thank you for watching. To subscribe. Peace!